Grateful I woke up again. Woke up and took a breath again, Yahweh. Looked up and saw the sun again. I'm grateful for the eyes I have. Amen. I'm moving on my toes again. I'm grateful for the wind against my face. I'm grateful for that sensation of a loved one's embrace.
So between peeing last night and my 3-year-old son waking me up to feed, I got like 5 hours and some odd minutes of sleep. And I probably regret this. I probably really will regret this because I said I'd never freaking do this stupid thing again.
Full to the brim.
Don't touch, bud. Don't.
Yes, I'm grateful.